One. Oh.
Harry Potter.
We have so many.
So I'm gonna do this one. Yes. It's just the
This is the same. No, I'm gonna open this.
Wait, let's go
Oh,
and
no.
these.
Oh no. I'm opening this. This is a burger.
I also have this burger.
I love this.
Burger.
Yummy. Let's
And
see.
then French fries. And the
We can
soda.
open it.
This is the
We can
soda.
open it easily.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's a sandwich because it's a bread. I don't know. Wow. And we've got
It's
ketchup.
so cute. I
Then-
can also open the top.
Let's open this because I can't wait for the test your luck.
No, don't open that first.
Tumbler. Yeah, let's just open it here. Ooh, and a salad.
Okay, you open it.
Salad. We don't have this one and this one. We only have these two because probably my mom didn't find it. Maybe they didn't restock it. So like, oh, this is a taco, not a. Yeah, you can call it. Okay. Next, what's and this? Wait, which? This? Harry Potter. Okay, let's see. It's
Guys, I have a French fries. Let me take one bite.
Ta-da.
It tastes so good.
And also, we can also remove it. Ta-da. So that we can also.
Also, I have a drink. Let's open it.
Is there more? Ooh. Animals. Sea creatures. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this first.
Wait, we're gonna open it
Can you
together.
open this?
Okay,
Okay.
let's unbox this together. There's a mystery
Yeah.
exclusive.
Yeah, that's a
Could it
mystery.
be
We
a
are so
legendary?
lucky.
I hope it's a legendary or something. Cause
Yeah.
wait, let's see from here first. There's like
They're characters.
there's mythic, legendary, common, rare, epic.
I really like
and
this one. But do you
Yeah.
have a...
We have this one and that one.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, a golden banana.
Yeah, a golden banana. Let's go open
Wait,
the
the
mystery
mystery
later.
later.
Last one. Yeah, mystery the last.
Ooh, you can
Okay.
No,
I see it.
don't.
Okay, I see
Don't
it.
see it. So that the people can.
How
Let's-
can you do that? Whoa, I love the people. They're so cute like a... Ma, look. Ma,
Oh my God, wait.
this is not like so broad.
Wait, don't open it yet. We're gonna show this. We have, I don't know it. Don't open it later.
Let's
Okay?
open later.
This is Mr. Stumble, the
Wait.
original creator.
Mr. Stumble.
Let's see how rare it is. This is common.
I like Mr.
Velocity is legendary. Whoa, this is a legendary. And this
Okay,
one
let's go
is
open the
no.
mystery.
Okay.
3, 2.
I'm close our eyes. And 3, 2,
Can open it.
1. Whoa, what's
We
this?
get a gummy bear.
Wait.
It's a gummy bear. This
Whoa,
is a gummy
what's
bear.
It's a legendary. It's a candy bear.
Yeah, it's a candy bear. I'm
Oh my God,
gummy bear.
it's a leg.
It's a gummy bear.
Look. And we have also more.
Yeah, so I love
I
the
don't
gummy
really
bear.
play Stumble, guys.
But I have fun
Oh,
playing.
we got exclusive.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna
next.
get the banana. Okay.
Next
Next is this.
the animal dinosaur. No, that's
Dino first.
Okay.
Let's open one by one. We have this.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put it back again.
Can I look? What's that? This is
We also
next.
we have a tier. What? Here
That's
we
like
go.
a Triceratops.
Your favorite dino is Triceratops, right?
No, that's not that one.
Yeah, but your favorite is Triceratops.
Not that one.
Which one is your?
That one, the orange one.
We studied about dino on.
No, oh yeah, that one.
This one, Triceratops, is.
Can try to touch it. It's so fluffy. Here.
Okay.
Next. What is next?
Sea creatures.
What is it?
3, 2, 1.
That's my favorite. Can I
Take
try?
it.
My friend has this.
Whoa.
It's a cute.
It's a stingray.
Yeah. That's a
A
stingray.
shark.
Dude, that's a whale.
Oh, no, that's a shark.
Sea lion.
Is that an otter? Oh, a hermit
Sea
crab.
lion?
I think so. Oh, that's a lobster, and we have a sea.
No, this is.
And we
Lobster.
have a
That's
lobster.
lobster. This
Okay,
is-
let's put it back.
Yeah. What is next? The Harry Potter. Oh, the cosplay.
Whoops.
Okay, but we're gonna put it together.
Oh yeah, this one.
Let's go over 3.
Can I try?
Okay,
you
you
do.
2, 1. Okay, that's it. You go first. Take one and close your eyes.
This is a poultry.
A
Oh,
bunny!
is it an albino?
Yeah, that's albino. Can look.
And,
Here's
yeah,
one.
you can pick. Oh my god. Oh yeah, so this is everything we got, I think.
No, we have one more. It's
Nothing.
this one.
Oh yeah, Harry Potter.
Can
I
Okay,
the magical school. Yeah, you open it.
we have so many characters.
What's this? Is this just
We have another Harry Potter.
what? I thought that was it.
Oh, that's Harry
Who's the
Potter.
characters? This I
I'm
forgot.
gonna open this. Excuse me.
Who's this? Who's this? Does anybody know who's this?
This is a character.
Wrong one.
I'm gonna open this. What? Whoa.
What's your favorite thing here? Mine says like probably the sandwich and the not the mystery, the legendary bear, and also this, and also the French fries. Yeah, the French fries. This. Bye.